Actually, depression is not understood very well because people think it is a disease, but no. Depression is just a condition of sadness that prolongs. Now, everyone feels sadness at some point in their life, but if the sadness continues for 2 weeks, depression may set in. But it does not mean that it is serious and it cannot be cured. Our kit guarantees that if you practice all that has been given in the kit for 1 month in case of mild depression, 2 months in case of moderate depression, the problem, the issue, the condition just goes away and one becomes absolutely healthy. So one need not worry. It is not serious. It is not difficult to use the kit because depression is just a temporary condition, like you may have a cold and cough for a few days and how it goes away. So I would like you to give the confidence that you can cure yourself with our kit and be free from depression forever.